going to be 8 points above the bottom of the bar. The bottom of the bar is right here at 16.25, so it's going to be 24.25. Now the bottom of the bar just changed to 14, so that's going to be 22.50. 8 above the bottom of the bar. Okay, 8 above 14.75. So there it is. So we're in this one now. And this one did actually get recorded, I think. Now after this goes 4 points in a profit, we're going to bump the stop to break even. 4 points in profit. That means it's going to get up to right there. Right there is 4 points in profit, so stop to break even. I'm going to lock in 1 point on this. I have a 48 tick profit target on this right now. I'm going to lock in 2 points on this. 3 points. 4 points. 5 points. There it is. We got all 48 ticks right there. Okay. And that I was able to record. So the reason I got into that was the up close pulled out of, I'm sorry, we had the up close right here, but we pulled out of the oversold. All 4 lines in a ribbon are visible, right? And every time you get one of those, you expect it to at least get to the prior swing high.